In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TC2000 Custom Sort. This feature lets you quickly rank symbols in your watch list based on how they performed over any specific period you highlight on the chart. It's a fast, visual way to answer questions like which stocks outperformed during a rally, or which ones lagged in a pullback. First, open a chart and make sure you're on a daily or higher time frame. Daily, weekly, or monthly bars work best because they smooth out intraday noise and give you a cleaner read on performance. If your goal is to evaluate swing or position trades, sticking to daily or higher keeps your comparisons consistent and meaningful. Also confirm you're looking at the chart for one of the symbols in the watch list you intend to sort, so your results align with the list you care about. Next, select the exact date range you want to measure. Click on the starting point on the chart, then drag your cursor to the ending point. You should see the selected area highlight as you drag. This highlighted span becomes your measurement window. If you want to be precise, use the crosshair or status bar dates as a quick check while dragging. If you release the mouse too early, or the highlight isn't where you want it, no problem. Just click and drag again to reset the selection. With your mouse button still held down over the highlighted area, press the spacebar. That opens the context menu tied to this selection. From there, choose Custom Date Sort. This tells the platform to calculate performance for every symbol in your watch list over the exact range you highlighted, using the time frame currently on your chart. Finally, choose how you want to see the results. Select Sort to reorder your current watch list right in place. This is perfect when you want to keep working in the same list and simply bring the top or bottom performers to the front. Or select Sort in a new window to create a fresh list showing the same results without changing your existing watch list order. That's handy if you want to compare side by side, keep your original list intact, or save the sorted view for reference. If anything looks off, double-check that you're on a daily or higher time frame and that your highlighted dates match the period you intended. Repeat the process for any other ranges you want to evaluate. With just these steps, you can quickly pinpoint leaders and laggards for any market phase you care about.